Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Jimny, a compact off-roader that continues to punch well above its weight. Rugged, reliable, and refreshingly simple, the new Jimny retains its cult status while introducing a few smart upgrades. Design and styling. The 2025 Jimny sticks to its iconic boxy shape with subtle refinements. New LED lighting, a refreshed front grille, and updated wheel designs give it a sharper look while preserving its retro charm. It remains compact and functional, perfect for tight trails and city streets alike. Interior and features. Inside, the Jimny keeps things practical but brings in more tech. A new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Suzuki has also improved cabin insulation, making daily driving more comfortable. There is still a no-nonsense dashboard and easy-to-clean surfaces, staying true to the Jimny's utilitarian roots. Performance and off-road capability. Under the hood, the 2025 model continues with the 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 105 horsepower. While not built for speed, it shines off-road with its ladder frame chassis, low-range gearbox, and part-time 4WD. For 2025, Suzuki has also fine-tuned the suspension for improved ride quality on rough terrain. Efficiency and safety. Fuel efficiency remains modest but reasonable for its class, with an average of around 30 miles per gallon combined. On the safety front, the Jimny now includes enhanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, especially in higher trims. Final thoughts. The 2025 Suzuki Jimny doesn't try to be something it's not. It's a small SUV built for real adventure, not mall crawling. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or urban commutes, it's tough to find a more charming and capable off-roader in this price range. Thanks for tuning in to Vehicle Club. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest car reviews.